Guys, we are in a blizzard right now, me and Tyler.
What's up?
Yeah, you can't see all the way down there. It's just a turn, so. Yeah, we're currently going to 7-Eleven to get some hot chocolate. I'll keep you updated on the way there. Hopefully it's a...
Okay.
About to go get that football.
Part 1.
Part 1. I might.
Oh, God. He's got it. Oh crap! Big flake just came in my eyeball. Sorry. Big black ice. Okay. Oh yeah.
I'm gonna slide across it.
Nah.
I'm gonna die. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so cold. I gotta get
make your name in the snow.
Oh, I heard of that.
We should. I have a ladder on standby if we need it.
Shut up. Look at all this snow. SOS.
Same.
I gotta get that. Ice.
Sand.
This whole breaks. I'm gonna jump out.
It's cracking too. You're like 150 pounds. Oh shit. Oh crap. Get the baseball right there.
Can I throw this at it again?
Right where you're standing.
Oh my god. Going to attempt to ride my bike in this 3-inch snow. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know if this is gonna work really. About to go to 7-Eleven, so might not work. I'll just leave it in the yard if it doesn't work. It might work. Oh, it's working all right. Yep, it's working. So, yeah, I'm going to 7-Eleven. Probably gonna get some chips or something. Hot Cheetos, you feel me? And then, yeah, that's it. It's crazy, dude. I'm gonna spin backwards.
Hey, bae. I'm joking, yeah. I can't get up there.
I see. I can't either, though.
I can't.
That was funny.
Yeah. You did again. Go do it again.
Alright. Ooh, it's paparazzi. What? This is good macaroni and cheese, bro. It is, dude. I devoured that. What?
Keep on doing it.
What? Eating dinner.
Look at it.
Back scratching. What?
Like make macaroni and cheese and put mustard all over into the cheese.
Oh my gosh, and then mix it up.
Yeah,
That'd be the best, dude. That would be like the best reaction ever, though. What are you doing with your life, dude?
I know, kid.
What exactly are you doing there? Stop. Alright guys, hope you liked the video. Like, subscribe, and comment for more. We didn't do much today, so it was a pretty quick video, but I'll probably have a longer video tomorrow because I'm probably going over Noah's house and we're gonna do some stuff. Yeah. So, see you in the next video. Peace out.